Welcome to this comprehensive guide on website analytics platforms. In this series, we'll explore the leading tools that help businesses understand how visitors interact with their websites, where they come from, and what actions they take. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your analytics setup, this video will help you choose the right platform for your needs. Web analytics is the collection and analysis of data about the people visiting your website. It helps you track user behavior patterns, measure where your traffic comes from, and identify opportunities to improve conversions. Think of it as a detailed report card for your website, showing you exactly how visitors interact with your content and which areas need improvement. Analytics matter because they transform guesswork into data-driven decisions. Instead of wondering what's working, you know exactly what's happening on your site. You can optimize performance by identifying bottlenecks, maximize return on investment by tracking what drives revenue, and truly understand your users by learning who visits, where they come from, and what they do on your site. This knowledge is invaluable for growing your business. Google Analytics 4 is the industry standard and the most widely used analytics platform globally. It's completely free with unlimited data, uses an event-based data model that's more flexible than older versions, and provides cross-platform tracking so you can follow users across your website and mobile apps. Google also powers it with artificial intelligence, offering predictive insights about future user behavior. This makes it the perfect starting point for beginners. Mixpanel is a product analytics platform designed for companies that want to deeply understand user behavior and engagement. It excels at advanced user segmentation, allowing you to divide your audience into specific groups. You can visualize the paths users take through your product with funnel analysis, understand how long users stick around with retention analytics, and access real-time dashboards that update instantly. Mixpanel offers a free plan with paid options for more advanced features. Hotjar takes a visual approach to understanding user behavior. Instead of just numbers, you see actual recordings of how users interact with your site. It provides heat maps showing where users click, move their mouse, and scroll. You can watch session recordings to see real user journeys, analyze conversion funnels to spot drop-off points, and collect user feedback directly through surveys. This visual data is incredibly valuable for improving user experience. Hotjar offers a free plan, plus paid tiers for more features. Amplitude is an enterprise-grade product analytics platform built for larger organizations that need sophisticated analysis capabilities. It provides advanced user segmentation to create highly specific audience groups, allows you to build behavioral cohorts based on user actions, includes predictive analytics powered by machine learning, and tracks both mobile and web platforms seamlessly. Amplitude starts with a free plan and scales up to enterprise pricing for organizations with complex needs. Matomo is the privacy-conscious choice for analytics. Unlike other platforms that store your data on their servers, Matomo lets you choose between self-hosting the software on your own servers or using their managed cloud service. This means you have complete ownership and control of your data. Matomo is fully GDPR compliant, making it ideal for European audiences, and the source code is publicly available for transparency. You get the full software for free with optional paid cloud hosting. Despite their different approaches, all major analytics platforms track 4 essential categories. User metrics show you how many people visit, including daily active users, monthly active users, and bounce rate. Engagement metrics reveal how users interact with your site, measured by session duration and pages per session. Conversion metrics track your business goals like conversion rate and return on ad spend. Finally, traffic source metrics show where visitors come from, whether organic search, direct visits, referrals, or paid ads. Understanding these metrics is fundamental to analytics. Choosing the right platform depends on your specific needs. If you're starting out, begin with Google Analytics. It's free, well-documented, and covers all essential metrics. For enterprise teams focused on product optimization, choose Amplitude or Mixpanel for their advanced segmentation and predictive capabilities. If user experience is your priority, select Hotjar to see exactly how users interact with your site visually. Finally, if privacy and data ownership are critical, Matomo is your best option. Most companies use multiple tools together for a complete picture of their analytics landscape.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.